So yes, these are the speakers for today. So again, myself, Sahith, and we have Karthikeyan joining us. So he's been with Exotel for over 6 years now, and he worked on various business roles. And currently, he's taking care of the partnerships and channel sales. And we also have Ashmita joining from the product team. So Ashmita comes with a tech background and worked with Oracle for over 5 years. And she is currently managing the integrations charter and developer experience charter at Exotel. So both Ashmita and Karthik will be walking us through the telephone integrations topic today. So a bit about Exotel before we dive into the topic. So we are a full stack customer engagement platform, helping businesses both large and small to engage with customers across channels and applications. So we were founded in 2011, Bangalore. We are a strong team of 900 working with over 6,000 businesses in 60 plus countries and powering over 25 million calls every single day. So as you can see, we are a highly reliable and scalable platform. So that makes us Exotel as the biggest and only full stack platform in the emerging markets. So, and here's why we call Exotel as a full stack platform. So we offer all the tools and channels necessary for business under one umbrella, so that businesses don't have to integrate and manage multiple tools for multiple channels or multiple vendors. So we have a channel layer with all the tools, all the channels. And as we speak, we are working on adding more channels to this layer. And we also bring intelligence to these channels to bring efficiency and also monitor customer communication at scale. And we also have an applications layer where we have bucketed into these 8 broad buckets, which businesses use for different use cases. And finally, we have an integration layer, which is the topic of discussion for today's webinar, where you can integrate your channels into your native applications or CRM or help desks. And adding to that, we are an API first platform where we offer APIs not only for channels, but across all the layers for you to build whatever you imagine. So yeah, we work with some leading banks and businesses in India. So if all the calls you receive from your Ola drivers or Zomato delivery executives happen over Exotel. So, and we also have some big banks using us for contact centers. So that's a bit about Exotel, and we have a poll before to understand you better. So I'm just launching the poll. You can see the questions on the screen. So broadly 3 questions. So we just want to know which function you are from. Also which CRM or help desk you're using, and if you have integrated calls with your CRM or help desk. And if you are choosing others, then feel free to drop whatever tool you are using so that we know the audience or what you are using better. So yeah, feel free to drop a message in the chat window as well if you happen to choose others. So we'll stop the poll in another 15 to 20 seconds. So I have so we have folks from support, product, and marketing attending this webinar. And we have fresh sales, fresh desk, and also others. I'm just wondering what you're using. It will also help us to understand if we need to include them in our roadmap. So please do drop a small message in the chat bots to understand what is it that you're using. And okay, so I'm just ending the poll. I'll also publish the results. So yeah, this is the current percentage of attendees. So majority seem to be from product, followed by marketing, operations, and support. And we have folks using Lead Squad, Fresh Sales, Fresh Desk, and 3 other CRMs. And we have a split, if not more people haven't integrated calls into their systems. So this integration, this webinar, even though you have or haven't integrated your calls, I believe is going to give you a great value in understanding how the importance. Okay, so I'll just hand it over to Karthik. Karthik, over to you.
Hey, thanks a lot, Sahith. Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks a lot for taking your time out, for this webinar. Myself, Karthikeyan, I head the partnership initiatives at Exotel globally. And without taking much time, let's have a look at the agenda for today. So let's understand, the role of calls at different stages of the customer journey, starting from pre-sales, sales, and support. and why are businesses and companies stressing more and more on better customer experiences, and how CTIs are backing them. And let's also understand the top opportunities for businesses via CRM and helpless integrations. And in the later part of this session, Ashmita will walk you through the most common and the popular CTI features and how you can get started. And we'll wrap this up with a quick round of Q&A. Right. So let's understand, the role of the calls at different stages of the customer journey. So here's a snapshot, of the customer journey. Well, this is, broadly classified in 3 stages: pre-sales, sales, and support. So let's take one by one. In the pre-sales stage, right, starting with the lead generation. Though there are a bunch of channels available for generating leads, but turns out to be, calls are the most conventional and efficient way to do so. At Exitel, we have 85% of the businesses, taking numbers from Exitel, and they put that out on their website to generate leads. They run a bunch of missed call campaigns, and at the back end, they stitch this with, the CRM in place like vTiger, LeadSquare, Zoho, Freshsales, etc. While doing so, what they do is they design IVR flows mapping different groups at various levels, and this helps the teams, the customer facing teams, to engage with the audience better. So when the basic information is out there, it helps the pre-sales team to converse with the customer with more confidence. Now, once they do that call, once they get onto the discovery call, with the CTI features, that is call notes and disposition, the pre-sales team takes note of the basic requirements. And once that is done, this is mainly to ensure there's a smooth handshake between the pre-sales team and the sales team, right? So now let's look at how it can shape up the sales journey. Now, once the handshake is done between pre-sales and the sales team has enough information to take the conversation forward. Now, once the customer is onboarded, it's very important to give the right sort of support to the customer once they're live with the system. And that can only happen when all the informations are tied together and it's available to the customer facing team. And here it's mainly the support team, right? So typically what companies at Exitel do is they take one business number, they create various IVR trees like press 1 for sales, 2 for support, or in some cases they have a dedicated support channel and customers call on that number. And with the CTI, with a strong integration in place, it enables the customer to share the requirements, and that integration captures. And using the integration, what happens is all the details such as customer name, email ID, company details, and if there is a call history, that gets populated when the call lands on the agent's desk. Now, support team gets on a call, and because every information of that customer is available right there, it helps them to address the queries and take the feedbacks and move it to the next stage. Well, I think this is something that we have been hearing a lot: customer-centric company, customer-focused company. And let's understand how calls are actually shaping the better customer experiences, and how CTI integration can play a crucial role here, right? So it's very important to stitch different data points together in order to give a smooth experience both during onboarding as well as post onboarding customer. And as per the Forbes report, 80%, there's a chance of 80% increase in revenue for businesses that focus on improving customer experience. Now, who doesn't love personalization, right? And with the right data sets and with the right integration in place, the system allows you to populate all the relevant information, starting from requirements to requests to concerns and feedback to across the teams, in order to design personalized experience instead of having a mundane and a generic flow. And me personally, coming from a customer facing space, I know the importance of having everything on a single interface rather than talking between 2 different interfaces. So we found out that as per the Forrester report, 50% of teams saw an improvement in the productivity when they used a mobile CRM along with the telephony layer integrated. and 74% of them say that CRM plus telephony layer integration has improved their access to the customer data in order to serve them better. Right. So let me quickly walk you through the true potential of such integrations. Right. So yeah, I think this leads the chart. Improving agents' productivity. Right. It's for a robust system to be in place. It's very important to stitch bunch of data points and have everything in a meaningful view for the customer facing teams to understand the customer's requirement, customer's feedbacks at the right point, right? And with CTI being in place, it ensures that customers facing team, they do not have to toggle between two interfaces to make calls. They don't have to open dialer on one tab and open CRM on another. Rather, with CTI integrations in place, there are features like click to call, right? Instead of agents entering the numbers manually, now they can get connected to the customer with a click of a button. And once the call happens, then the call data gets captured with call recordings, call logs, everything in place. And now that all the data points, call recording, call history, feedbacks, requests, everything in front of the system, it helps the support, especially for the support agents, to act upon the request better, and it helps them to take data-driven decisions rather than starting things from scratch. So imagine you call up a company and you have your concerns. Probably you would have dropped that in their chat, or you would have written to their support team. And now you expect the next step to be the support team. When they call, they start from where you left instead of asking hey how can I help you instead. So having a strong integration really helps to solve this. And last but not the least, with everything in place, it really helps the customer facing team to address the concerns in real time, and to act upon the tickets and give them the best resolution as soon as possible. And everything leads to improvement in your CSAT scores. Well, let me hand this over to Ashmita. So she will walk you through the most common and the popular CTI features. Over to you, Ashmita.
Thanks, Karthik. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for attending this webinar. I am Ashmita and I work as a product manager here at Exotel. I take care of integrations and developer experience charter. Now, Karthikeyan summed up the importance and benefits of the integrations pretty well. To tie it up, I will drill down to the key features of our CRM integrations and explain how you can reap the benefits through these features. Yeah. So the first feature is user mapping. Let's start by elaborating an instance where you want to get onboarded on an integration such as this, and you have a huge number of agents who need to be able to make calls. This is where the mapping between the users on the cloud telephony provider like Exotel and the CRM becomes a bottleneck to be done manually. The user mapping feature takes care of smooth agent management for all our clients. It enables mapping between Exotel users and CRM users. We also provide a bulk upload feature here. In case there is a considerable number of users whose details have to be uploaded, you can easily do it using a CSV file. These agent details can be easily edited at any point of time. Yeah, so the next feature is live agent and device status management. Now this feature specifically prevents context switching and gets the user ready to take calls with just a single click in the CRM. Agents can turn their device status on or off depending on their availability to take calls, be it at the start of the shift or end of the shift. We can go to the next feature. Yeah. Now let's look at another key problem, which is pretty common in such use cases. When an agent is not able to take calls, they usually go as missed calls. And there's a possibility of a revenue loss or a lead getting lost. To curb this, we have automatic ticket or deal creation, which provides automation and enhanced productivity to its users in case the call is a missed call and the agent is not able to take the call at that moment. The missed calls are automatically converted to new tickets. The agent can later reach out to the customer or associate those tickets to existing tickets. Yeah. So we come to the next feature, which is the ticket auto assignment. Now, this is a pretty straightforward feature, but again, an important one. This feature takes care again of increasing productivity and again takes away the need of a manual intervention. It automatically assigns the ticket or the deal to the user or the agent who in the first place answered the call. The next feature would be the click to call. Now, this is one of the key features of all our integrations. This is one common feature which is present in all the integrations. It lets users make calls to their customers directly from the CRM. With this feature, the productivity rates increase and the call queues are also minimized. These calls can be made from the contact or the ticket page of the CRM. There is also a provision for users to make calls to a contact which is not saved in the CRM. As you can see, there's a text box out here with the name customer number, where the call can be just input as a text and the call can be initiated by clicking on the call button. This also saves time and effort without having to first uh, add in the contact in the CRM directory and then making the call. You can just directly call and add the contact later on. So we come to another feature, which is the call pop-up or the intimation that we provide. Like it's mentioned here, it is a great agent experience. So this helps in solving the issue within seconds since the agent has a greater context here. They can see all the customer information out here. So again, there is no need for context switching with this feature or between any applications. Every time a call is made or received, agent automatically receives a pop-up on their window of their desktop that lists all the personal information of the customer and also the call history. The process, now we come to the feature of easy to create and update tickets, also past call logs to take action later. Now, if you look at the images, the process of ticket creation while and after the call is pretty seamless. And there is also a provision to add notes as a method of call disposition. The ability to add notes with every logged call and associate them to existing or new tickets is along with creating new contacts for unknown numbers. So let's say you're getting a call from an unknown number and you pick up the call. We also provide you with an ability in the pop-up to be able to add the contact as a new contact in the CRM directory. On the right side, you see that we also provide the ticket history, which is within the pop-up itself. So if the agent is taking a call and he or she needs greater context about the customer, about the conversations that they've had, they can go to the ticket history and have a look at it. There's also a provision. You can see there's a view contact also in the bar above. Once you click on that, in the background of the CRM, the contact page automatically opens for the agent to see other details of the contact. Yeah. So the next feature is recently introduced. These two features were recently introduced by us, but again, they add great value. So the IVR digits and the voicemail get added to the tickets in case there is an IVR in the call flow or there is a voicemail attached in the call flow in case the call goes to the voicemail if the agent is not able to not available to take the call. Both these features add more context and details to the customer conversation. This also helps log every call if the agent is unable to take the call. And also you get more insights about the call, that what are the frequently used IVR paths that customers follow. What are the kind of voicemail recordings or calls that are going into voicemail. So such things add greater context to the tickets also. Yeah, so this is again a pretty important feature that we have is with call details. Every call logged has all the data along with it directly within the CRM. it helps improve training of the agent. So like if you see, there's a recording also present. We provide whether it's an outgoing or incoming call, all of those details, the duration of the call, all these details in hindsight can be used for training of agents to measure their performance levels, to track customer experience, and also protect the business in case of any disputes occur. So these were the plethora of all the features that we have, all the popular features that we have in our integration. In the slide that you see, this is the catalog of all our native integrations with the features present in each of them. Now you might notice that we don't have all the features and all the integrations, but we are working really hard to enhance every integration that we have with a number of features. So we are working towards it, and you're going to get more enhanced experience with all of these integrations. We also have CRM integrations on a partnership basis that are listed below. You see partner marketplace integrations, which are listed in the respective marketplaces of the CRMs. So please reach out to us in case you're interested in availing any of the integrations that you see here. So the previous slide showed you the available integrations that we have currently. Now this slide shows what are the integrations that we are coming up with, what is in our pipeline going forward. So one of them is the Freshsales Cloud Telephony integration, and the other one is the Shopify order verification using IVR, call, and SMS. Now these two integrations are in our pipeline and roadmap, and we will be coming up with them really, really soon. So please consider registering for our newsletter to stay posted on all our new releases. That's it from my end. Thank you, and over to you, Sahit.
Hey, thanks, Ashmita. So for it's time for Q&A. So feel free to go ahead and drop any questions you might have around the integrations that you use or you would be using soon. So any doubts on how calls can be used within from your CRM and not really having to leave it. So any doubts, now is the time, and the panel members are ready to take them. So I have one question already. So can I download reports or make dashboards in HubSpot with Exotel data and CRM data?
Yeah,
you want to take it, Ashmita?
Yeah, I'll take that. So you can create reports in HubSpot with Exotel data, but downloading reports or we don't provide it as a feature as such. We push all the data to HubSpot, and then you can use that data to create reports as a feature of HubSpot and then download it. So our job ends at the part that we push all the data regarding the call to the call engagement. It's called engagement in HubSpot. So we push all the data. That data can be used by our users in any form to create reports.
Okay, thanks. Another question. So do you have dialer in Freshsales? I mean, are we planning to have a dialer in Freshsales?
No. So by dialer, if you mean the click to call provision, then yes. But if you mean like outbound dialers, then no. We have pretty much the same features. Most of the features that we just now pointed out in our integrations, we have most of these features in the upcoming Freshsales integration, but not dialer as such.
Okay, thanks. We have another question. Can I receive calls directly on a CRM or a support desk?
Yes, you can.
Okay. Any more questions, folks? So now is the time. Okay. Are these integrations chargeable? I'll just take it up. So hey, so we have free integrations for almost all the connectors except HubSpot, which we charge $499 per month. So you can find all the integrations on Exotel Marketplace or App Bazaar, as we call it. So yeah, that's about it. And yeah, we have two more questions. So will this integration be available for Freshdesk collaborator, not a full agent in Freshdesk? by Swami?
No, so collaborators cannot use the calling features. Uh, yeah, I think that's about it. If they are a full-time user of Freshdesk or an agent listed there, then yes, they can use, but collaborators cannot avail the click to call features.
Okay. So we have another question again from an anonymous attendee. Any plans to increase data being sent through the Exotel API? I want to use Exotel data to create visualizations.
What sort of data are you looking at? If we can get to know that, then it will be a helpful insight for us. So as of now, we do pass the call recording, we do pass the call duration, outbound or incoming call, all those data, voicemail and IVR also. So what else are you looking at, if you can let us know?
I think that's what the question was about. So I think you sort of answered it. So you're saying that we can send call details like call timing, duration, and everything else about the call, right?
Right.
Okay. How can I reach out? Another anonymous question. How can I reach out to explore these integrations? Hey, so we do have a small form in the chat box. Let me just paste it again. So 1 second. So we have a small form. So if you wish to reach help, if you wish to take our help in setting up any of these integrations, now is the time to fill the form. We will reach out to you as soon as possible to help you with the whatever connector you choose. So yeah, that's the form there. So feel free to fill it up.